Every home cook is only a few dishes away from restaurant quality food, and I am going to prove this to you with the classic dessert. Peach Melba. Level 1, the classic. To elevate a dish, you first need to understand why it works. Peach Melba is built on just 3 flavors: peach, raspberry and vanilla, sweetness, acidity and creaminess. We gently poach the peaches, make a sharp raspberry coulis, and serve with creamy vanilla ice cream. 3 simple components, each balancing the other 2. Most people think great cooking starts with complicated techniques. It doesn't. It starts with understanding flavor, then learning to introduce structure, texture and contrast. This is how you go from copying recipes to thinking like a chef. This is the classic version, now 140 years old. But make sure you remember these flavors, as they are going to be the foundation for everything coming up. Now we've done level 1 and seen how simple it is, we will think like a chef and look at the structure. Make sure to like the video and follow my page as we move on to level 2, where we keep the flavors the same but completely change the experience. Introducing structure is when a dessert stops looking homemade and starts looking professional. We have already covered poaching the peaches and making the sauce in level 1. This is level 2, structure. Chefs don't just think about flavor, they also think about how it's built. Every layer should serve a purpose. We are going to introduce a peach granita and a light chantilly cream. The chantilly cream is simply double cream, icing, sugar and vanilla whipped up to soft peaks. And the granita only need 2 ingredients, and you have already begun one when you poach the peaches. Just add some sugar to the poaching liquid and reduce down to a syrup. Pour over some raw peaches and blend until smooth. Straight into the freezer to set and you're ready to go. Now we elevate. We are layering up the peaches, raspberries, ice cream, granita and chantilly cream. Every spoonful gives us a structured balance of flavor and textures. The ingredients haven't changed. We have simply organized them with intention. This is level 2, structure. For level 3, we start to look at texture and temperature. So give me a follow and let's take it up one more level. This is one of the biggest differences you can make to a dish. Adding more ingredients and components alone is not enough. Any more changes to the structure must be more considered, and with that, texture comes into play. We are keeping the flavor the same with rich creamy vanilla, but we are introducing a rich French toast. Sliced brioche soaked in an indulgent vanilla custard, fried in butter until caramelized and crisp. A little trick with the cream by adding 25% cream cheese. It adds a bit of luxury and helps it hold up against the heat of the French toast. We are still staying focused on those peach Melba flavors though. The French toast is warm, rich and indulgent. Lightly set custard and creamy chantilly comes next. Then we layer up the poached peaches and raspberries, bringing freshness and acidity. A splash of cream to the raspberry sauce brings another layer to the dish, and a drizzle of the peach syrup highlights everything. This is still a peach Melba dish, except now we've improved the structure, texture and contrast. That is how we take the simple classic peach Melba. First, just by looking at the structure, we have leveled it up to a peach Melba sundae, keeping all of those flavors balanced. Then, after looking at texture and contrast, we finish with a restaurant quality dish.